Today, guys, I'm coming on to share with you a quick thrifty haul that I did at my local Goodwill store. So if you're interested in seeing this, please do stick around. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. So let's jump in to my thrifty haul and the pieces that I got from my local Goodwill store. So I got this wreath. I think this is a eucalyptus wreath, and I just love this. I was going to order one online, but I just said, let me go in. I haven't stopped at the Goodwill for a while. Let me go in and see what they got. And I wasn't even looking for this at that time. So this was $5.99. I think this is a pretty good deal. What you guys think? And I love the wreath circle enclosure here that they have. It's not the foam one, and it's not that plastic one. So this is, I think this is wired just a wrap, and I like that look. So for $5.99, what you guys think about this wreath? And it already have these little white berries in here. You could use this for any occasion. Just pop some different items in here, and you could use this for any season. So that was $5.99. You guys could comment in the comment section down below if you think this was a good deal. So next, I want to show you this ceramic pedestal that I got, and this one here was $3.99. Can you believe it? And it has the little scallop edge, and they have, you could the little holes where you could run your ribbon. So I could change this ribbon out and make this for any occasion. I saw these here on eBay. I think they were going anywhere from like $25. Some people had it for $37, and you could get a set of these on Amazon, I believe, for like $148. So I think that this was an awesome steal. And at the time, I didn't know how much they were going for, but I just love pieces like this, and it's ceramic too. And you just have to be careful, especially when you have little kids. My kids are grown, but I have 2 grandkids, and but this is like so cute for $3.99. And so next up, what I got, they had this other ceramic piece. And this piece here, I thought it was so beautiful. I like to see, like, you know, it just remind you of like your candy cane lane if you're decorating with that, the red and white. And it has these little red little dots around this. They have those Christmas trees in the inside in red. And it says share some merry. And I only got that for $1.99. I have to peel this back and see where it was from, the original prices on this one. But I thought that was a beautiful piece, guys. And you have those dots all around. All right, so next up, I saw this. I love snowmen and I love gingerbread men. And I saw this soap dispenser. And look at the colors on this snowman. The green and the red, that olive green, that red. I just love those tones. And then he has the candy cane in his hand. He has this little berry on his head, the holly berry with the leaves there, his little cap. I got that for $2.99. I thought that was so cute. Let me know if you guys think these were good finds. Now, I saw these and I just picked these up immediately because they had the red and white stripes. And like, again, this is the candy cane lane if you're decorating for the holidays. This was originally $1.99 and I got it for 99 cents. They have this special going on the Goodwill, and you get 3 boxes here. And these are so nice pieces. You could wrap gifts in this, just add a bow to it, and you could make these as a bottom centerpieces, add some flowers to this. All kind of creative ideas you could do with these pieces. Next up, look at this beautiful basket. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the color of the wood. I love the color of the tone of red. That's like a almost a burgundy, right? It's like, and that olive or forest green right there. And these are like a felt material. The Merry Christmas, I like the cream felt. They have stitching all around that with the plaid color here. You have the berry and the berry leaves, the holly berry and the leaves there. And look, they have the bow on the sides. This is a gorgeous basket. I just like that dark smoky color wood that it's made out of. And look, this was only $3.99, guys. $3.99. You just fill this basket with stuff in here, anything, ornaments. This would be such a nice decorative piece, a nice centerpiece. So many creative ideas I could think that I could use that basket for. Next up, look at this right here. This is like a flour sifter, and this was just $2.99. And again, you could use this and create a nice little centerpiece. Fill this with flowers. This would be an awesome piece that you could decorate with. And it looks pretty much brand new, like it was never used, for $2.99. Then I saw these cute little gift packages come in a pack. These were from Pair One Imports, and I got this for just 99 cents. For just 99 cents. And then you have the red and silver Christmas packaging, and then they have red and silver bows, alternating bows. And so I thought that was nice. And I'm pretty sure it was not 99 cents at Pier 1. Next, look at these cute little snowmen that I got. Now on these snowmen, this is nice because you have the little dad snowman, and he's taking his son out to the mailbox to send off his mail to Santa. And you have the little mailbox, and it has 15 Candy Cane Lane, the address there. They have a little the light decorated on the pole, and then this is like a candy cane right here, and he has his little side bag. Look at the little buttons right there that they have stitched into that. Nice little stitch work. He has 1, 2, and their little scarves. And their hats, look, that has his little cap on. He has this little Santa Claus hat on, the little nose. Oh, this is like so cute. And this is this was Hallmark. This was 2018 Hallmark. And I looked these up, and then on eBay has those running. Let's see, I think eBay had them like $20 something or $30 something there on eBay. Now I think I'm mixing up the price on the pedestal. I don't think I saw the pedestal on eBay. Yeah, so the pedestal was running, like, I think you could, the prices I checked was like $70 something, and that was like, I forget which store that was, but you could get that 20% off, and it was like $72. And then on, like I said, Amazon, for a set you were paying $148. So that was for the ceramic pedestal. I saw this one here on eBay, like $21. I think you could get this for, and some places had it like $37. But this was a Hallmark piece in 2018, and I just love, like I said, I love snowmen, and I got this for $5.99, and I thought that this was such a cute piece in fairly good condition. And then it's battery operated. I haven't put any batteries in there yet to see if it works, but just by itself is just an amazing piece. Next up, I got this little paddle right here. I thought this was cute. It says "Bake the World a Better Place." You could just add some little gingies to this, add some little holly berries on top here, a little bow, and then that's your decorative piece. And this was just 99 cents. You have to really be careful when you go to Goodwill, because their prices are just crazy high. You know, it's not like how it used to be anymore. Like you could go and find a piece for something under $1. It's really hard to find something under $1. A lot of times I go in my Goodwill store and they have like Dollar Tree items over $1, like $2, over $2 you're paying for this. So I don't know who does the pricing, how they do their pricing, but some of the prices are really outrageous how they price them. Let me just clear my desk here to show you this bigger piece that I got. Look at this piece right here. This is, let me see, I have to put it long way so you could get a better look at it. When I saw this piece, I just fell in love with this piece. Look at that. You know, you could decorate this up as for Santa Claus mail to the North Pole. I think I have some ideas with this decorated up for, but we'll see how that turns out. Hang a little stocking, a little treat stuff here to the bottom, and this is a nice piece, and this is wood, guys, and this was only $3.99. They have the little hooks so you could hang this up, but for $3.99 mail, you could use this for about anything. But this, I think I'm gonna decorate this up as a Christmas decor. We'll see how that goes. All right, so next up, look at this little piece that I got. I shouldn't say little piece, but this is a skirt for under the tree. And this is, oh, this looks like it was brand new, because all this is felt right here. Like the snowman is felt, around the edges here is felt, and the stitching on this and the type of material, this is, you know, whether it seems like it's brand new because it is in good condition, or the person kept it in good condition. But look at it, look around this skirt, look at the stitching here. It's hard for me to like and the space that I have to show you the whole thing. And then the lining that they have, that this has, is just a good piece. And let's see here, look at the snowman and then the Christmas trees that is there on this. And then this was $6.99, and I just love those tones. That's really a nice deep rich red and that olive color green on the base of the skirt. A very, very nice piece. And then they have the little stars, the stitching. I just love that. So that, I think that was a good find. You guys let me know in the comment down below what you think about the good find. And then they had this bag here, and then the stuff in here was $9.99. Let's just show you the pieces that came in here. Let me know if this was a good price for $9.99. You got this little penguin, and he is cute. He's has these little wooden legs, and look, his little hat, his little scarf, and they have a price on here, $4.99. Wherever it was being sold, it was selling for $4.99. So already this was a good deal, right? Look at the little buttons here down his little belly. Okay, and he stands up. Then in here was, this is a Doris piece. Look at this snowman here. And he has like a little birdhouse in his hand with some little birds here. Look at the scarf. This is like a ceramic. No, it's like a hard plastic. And then he has that metal scarf. Look at his little hat. Look at his rosy cheeks. And then he has like a birdhouse here. Like he's standing behind a mound of snow. Birdhouse, a little gate here. You have those little Christmas trees there. And then the holly berry. And look at the back. You could see he have like a dust of snow. Is like a little glimmer here to the top of his hat. I thought this was a cute little piece. Just have to straighten out this piece here. So next in that bag, they had these little, they look like bears. It's like a set of bears, and these are wooden pieces. Nice. So they have their little scarves on, their little coats, and that's so nice. You could put at either end and something in the center. I like the size, a nice size on those. And last but not least, these bells, guys. These bells are in. I'm seeing so many people decorating with these bells. Look at this. And they have 3 sizes that came here on the set of bells. So you could take those apart and use them for your decorations, repaint them in gold. Oh, I think that was a good deal for $9.99 for all those came in that package. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my little thrifty haul today. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like what you see here today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you could be notified when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.